Hi there, welcome back with the fifth puzzle of today's newspaper on Friday, September 11th, 2020. In this additional with extra Sudokus, we have here a binary puzzle. This will be number 1510. Yes. And what kind of binary puzzle is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 5 1's. So let's get started. Double O, here 1, there 1. We have here 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me see. Oh, 10. Yes, I can compare this row and the last row. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. Empty box, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two numbers with a 1 here. This should be an O, with an O there, this should be a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 1's, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Yes. We need to compare the third row and this row. 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, empty box, 1, 1. So I need to switch these two numbers. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With O here, this should be a 1. 4 1's in this column, so the rest are O's. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 O's, so the rest are 1's. Need to compare. No, cannot compare. Yeah, this one and that one. 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. So empty box. So we need to switch these two numbers. With O here, this should be an O. With O here, this should be a 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's, so the rest are ones, and then 4 ones, so the rest are O's, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Finished in 5 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. See you later with the last Sudoku of today. A tectonic it will be. See you later. Bye bye for now.